So it is, the fun of expansion is in experiencing the contraction. That is the secret of life. No joy can come till you have fully experienced the pain. When we fully experience the pain, we come out of it and we see the, as I very often say, reliving is reliving. When you relive an experience, it relieves you. That's exactly how homeopathy works. That what causes can cure in minute doses. Yes? Anybody would like to share any more sharing about the expansion, contraction? Would somebody like to say something? Yes, Neelamji?
Expansion was very tightening, like, the whole body was paining, especially over here on the neck.
The contraction you mean?
The contraction.
Okay.
And the expansion was, I felt like, dancing.
Felt like dancing, yes.
It was totally relieved.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
So the contraction was only me, because I was getting contracted.
Contraction was only you.
Me.
Contraction was very lonely, very isolated
But when
place.
the expansion came, it was so beautiful. I wanted to share it with all my loved ones, giving blessings to them.
Yeah, tell about this, yeah.
See, when the contraction was there,
Yes.
it was only I, myself, me, who was going deeper and deeper in it. But when the expansion came, initially it was a little painful and then it was a beautiful feeling which I wanted to share. A feeling of love with all my loved ones.
Wonderful. This is truly human. This is truly human. This is how we human beings are naturally. Full of love, full of sharing, full of joy, full of wanting to be a part of everything that is happening. And when we contract, we are alone. We are completely alone. And when we are alone, everything looks like the world looks against us. That the world is against us. The world is not with us. But we as beings are not only contracted. That's not our only reality. Contracted is only one polarity of the reality. The reality is contraction and expansion. Reality is not only expansion, and the reality is not only contraction. Black and white, both. Whatever polarities you call them. When you live through the contracted polarity, you have a chance to expand. When you deny the contracted polarity, you don't want to look at it, you don't want to experience it, you don't want to think about it, you want to say, okay, that's the way it is, what to do, this is all we keep on doing all the time, what to do, that's the way it is. Instead of moving your shoulders this way, just move them this way, okay? This is paper C. Just move it like this. Yes?
So something very beautiful that I read. I just thought I would like to say this. It's very beautiful, something that I read. It's from Khalil Gibran, The Prophet. The book The Prophet, it said, isn't the same glass that holds your cup of wine not the one that was burnt to make a glass.
Yes.
So just so beautiful that the same glass that gives us pleasure, our glass of wine, is the same glass that had to go through the process of burning to be the glass. And isn't your heart that has all the joy was once but all filled with sorrows? So the deeper your joys, the deeper your sorrows.
Absolutely.
It's so beautiful, and it's almost like remembering verbatim all those.
The more dukhi you are,
Yes.
the more dukhi you are, the more distressed you are, more are the chances that you will become happy.
Yes.
More closer you are to enlightenment, to God. Because in the distress lies the way. The wisdom lies in how to go with the flow of the distress, because every distress always goes to an open place. Always. whether it be birth or death. Death is also an opening into another dimensions. People who have died had near-death experiences. There are so many books, people, I have met so many people who have almost died and come back. Either in a cardiac arrest or some, they describe the experience as the most wonderful and life-changing experience. What they experience there is amazing. So the death that we are scared of, most people who have died and come back have experienced that as the most pleasurable experience in their entire life. It's just that in the moment, the tightness, like how she experienced when she kind of died, then she could detach, go up and feel completely easy and happy. So there is a deep potential in all of us to heal and to be happy. But the secret lies in experiencing the contraction. And amplifying the contraction. Making yourself very miserable, as tight as you can. जितना tight करोगे और उसके ऊपर meditate करोगे, it will suddenly go. Yes? Okay. So now we'll do some processes here. It's enough for sitting. Let's spend the next half an hour with some fun here. So let's come here. So in general, tell me, when you came in the morning and now, do you see any change in yourself? How many see some change in themselves? From when you came in the morning and now, kai farak lagto hai in your own self, you feel somewhat different. Oh, good. Okay, so what we want to do now is, we want to play a little bit, okay? So what we are going to do is that each person is going to walk in the circle and make any movements that she or he would not normally make. Whatever, and go and stand on the opposite side, okay? And the others are going to clap and cheer that person, okay? We want to break our inhibitions. Yes? Please. Each person will go inside the circle, make movements which he has never ever made. Be as stupid as you can be. Make movements that you would not normally make. Again I am saying, okay? And feel completely free. This is your world, to be as stupid as you can be. Come on, who is starting? Come on. Come on, cheer him up. That was sporting. Very good, wonderful. Come on. Okay, so now the next one is, each one is going to go in the center, make the movement, and the others are going to imitate what she or he is doing. Okay? One thing is that we want to use all these spaces. The upper space, the middle space, the lower space, okay? The side spaces. Do the same movements, what he is doing, you have to do. Do the same thing what he is doing. Next one, come on. Just imitate her. Make it challenging, come on. There is no stopping here, everybody has to do it. Come on. Come on. an open field if anybody wants to try. Just examine your body. Just feel your entire body. What's your heartbeat? What's your breath? Increasing your awareness about your body. Acknowledging this wonderful body and giving it all your love and attention. Whether it be a painful knee joint, or whether it be an asthma, or it be a fear, or it be anything else. Just acknowledge and send a lot of love and expanded energy as your heart expands and contracts. Your body also expands and contracts. In this awareness of your body, we are coming to the end of this meditation, most significant meditation for our day to day, where you will put yourself in this entire room. You will walk through this room and find one spot energetically where you feel you belong to here just now, like here. And you will be there and experience that as your today, now, as the way it is just now. And you will experience everything that is happening to you now. After 3 minutes or 5 minutes, we will move to another spot energetically, where we will find ourselves 3 months later from today. We will meditate on how it is going to be with us 3 months later, allowing ourselves to experience ourselves in highest potential that we can be. Then after 3 or 5 minutes, we'll walk to the third place and we will see how we will be 6 months later. And then in another 3 to 5 minutes, we will go to how it will be 1 year later. And then 2 years later. We will hold that vision deep in our Atma, in our spirit. We want to experience ourselves in the highest inner potential that we have. So you can stand up and choose one place intuitively that you feel is the moment of now for you. Just move through the room so that energetic, highest, purest potential as you are now. Centering all the wonderful energy and purity in this moment. Experience all the emotions, feelings, how you see yourself now in this moment. Allowing yourself to connect and acknowledge the highest potential within your own self. As a being of light, as a being of love, as a being of all possibilities and capabilities. As you now move your position take yourself in some position in this room that you see yourself 3 months after today. Just move and put yourself somewhere energetically in this room. Where you will be 3 months later. The movement in your physical body is highly symbolic to understand the energy fields. See how you feel yourself in your highest potential 3 months after today. Examine how you look. You have a choice to feel and look younger. You have choice to be beyond time in your highest potential. Whatever needs to be corrected can be corrected in this moment. Completely acknowledging and seeing yourself in your fullest potential, in your highest self. Taking yourself to 6 months later, take yourself in another position, another some position in this room as you move yourself to 6 months from today. Watch your mind, body and your spirit. Feel one in the strongest, easiest and highest potential that you can be in. move yourself to another position that you will be in 1 year later from today. Choose intuitively a place that represents for you 1 year later. Just trust your experience. Just trust your inner consciousness as you experience yourself, putting yourself in the energy field of your highest potential 1 year from now. Acknowledging this wonderful being as you will be 1 year later, you will now move into how you will be 2 years from today. As you walk into that energy field, changing your position energetically in this room to where it would be for you 2 years after today. Experiencing yourself in your truest potential, putting yourself to complete rest in that energy field. take a few deep breaths as you connect to the earth on which you are standing or sitting. And you can gradually open your eyes. As we are coming to the end of this program, it would be appropriate if each one of you can share in short what this few hours over here meant to you.
For me, it was a different kind of experience for whatever part I was there, and I'm much freer after that, after this session. I'm much free
Much free.
after this session.
Thank you.
After this session, so really I felt very much free, and I can say it's like a relaxing, more calmer, and whatever tensions or whatever stresses was there, it's lower down.
Hello. In my body, I definitely feel a lot lighter, very much light. And at the mind, I think I have a direction in my life, and I'm very happy that the direction seems just more clearer. Thank you.
It's a positive approach to the life we can achieve by this type of functions. Gradually, it is not easy, but we have got a line where we should.
So you can see that this is a belief that it is not easy.
It is not.
Everything is very, very easy. That's what is you need to realize. When you install a program inside that everything is easy,
It is not.
then our life becomes easy. If you say it is not easy, then you will attract difficulties. Was it difficult for you today? What was difficult?
No, it was not difficult.
Say it was very easy
Very
today.
easy, but it's a, there is a way how you take
There
the
is-
approach of that to the.
There is no way. Whatever happened here happened and full stop. Chopdi ban. Okay? In this way, there is no doing. You have to do nothing. The idea is to do nothing. Nothing. Zero. Just be. What has happened is we have become, instead of human beings, we have become human doings. We have just forgotten the art to be. To be is very easy, right? So just be. You are just wonderful the way you are. Okay? Enjoy the way you are. Yes? That doesn't start tomorrow. It starts now. It was a very calm and relaxing meditation, and you throw away all your inhibitions in this type of meditation, and the games that we played just now was very, very soothing and relaxing basically. Before approaching inside, just dancing and around over here, you know, I was just thinking that how will I do it, but then it just happened. Yes. So it was very, very soothing. Music starts and it just heals everybody. Yes. Thank you. Music is a very big healer. Dancing is the biggest healing experience. I feel if you had to do one exercise every day, dance for 10 minutes.
I recollect sweet memories of school days,
Oh.
dancing and playing.
So already the geriatric seminar has worked. How are your joints feeling? Just walk and see. Just walk and see. How do you feel? I want to see how you walk.
Same.
Just try, no? Just walk and see. Is there any difference in the way?
Same.
Good, very good.
So when we were planning the name of the workshop, we had said it is beyond age and beyond limitations. So I think that is what exactly happened today.
It was beyond age and beyond any limitation, and you feel limitless today. It's good.
Wonderful.
So you started with all of us carrying our baggages.
I would like you to call me Jayesh. I'll be very fine with it.
Yes, Jayesh sir. You started with saying that we all carry our baggages. That was one thing which struck me during meditation and the dance, and that we are the doers. Because over a period of time, I have lost quite a few of my close and dear ones. So I was carrying that baggage. And then I realized that I was not the doer, and it is somebody else where time has come. So I'm leaving all the baggages and going now. Happier person.
Wonderful.
Thank you. Was it a theta healing or was it a theta healing, something like that?
No, this was not theta healing.
Yeah.
This is a combination of many things. This has been designed by me after undergoing a lot of inner work on my own self and with homeopathy together. Theta healing is something little different. Theta healing
Same
is,
type of meditation and all this?
yeah, all the healing methodologies are similar.
Anyway, I like it and I feel very happy. Some lightness is there in my body.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Today, by playing, I was so excited. I had a lot of pain in my pain, but I couldn't stand with it, couldn't sit like anything. It is paining, but yet I am happy. I try to live in present.
Your pain will also go before you leave. Just take my word. Take my word. Okay.
I talk in Gujarati.
Sure.
બહુ સારું લાગે છે અને ખુશ રહેવાની કોશિશ કરીએ છીએ.
Very good. Thank you so much.
હેલો, થોડું રિલેક્સ લાગે છે. મને કોન્ફિડન્સ નથી. હું એટલે બધા જોઈને કોન્ફિડન્સ એકદમ નથી મારામાં.
Okay.
થોડોક શાંત લાગે છે દિમાગ.
Okay. એક પૂછવું છે, તમે આવી રીતે બધાની સામે ડાન્સ કરી શક્યા હોતે?
ના, કોન્ફિડન્સ નથી.
આજે કર્યો ને? How did she dance, you think? Just give her a big hand.
I relax.
You were just wonderful.
I relax.
Total relaxation, soothing, and from today I will live it now.
Good.
Thank you.
I would be the last person to dance in even my own wedding or my friend's wedding. But today this happened and I think it was the biggest change which happened for me today. Thank you so much.
I feel tranquil and peaceful, and I could not stand for 5 minutes in my house on my leg because it is paining here and there. But today, for a lot of time, I was standing, dancing and doing everything, and then I got the relief.
Wonderful. What more can we do? Thank you sir. Thank you.
મને એમ લાગે છે કે હું મારા બચપણમાં ચાલી ગઈ છું, કારણ કે અહીંયાથી રમવાનું મળ્યું અને પ્લસ ડાન્સ કરવાનું મળ્યું, જે મને લાગે છે વર્ષોથી હું ભૂલી જ ગઈ હતી. એમ કરવાનું મને યાદ જ નહોતું અને હું કેમ કરી શકીશ તે પણ મને સમજ નથી. આઈ ડોન્ટ નો હાઉ વન્ડર આઈ મેનેજ ઇટ એન્ડ આઈ ફીલ કે જીવનમાં આ અભિગમ અપનાવવા જેવો છે. થેન્ક યુ.
When I was entered here, I was full of stress here. So much pain in my body. But now I feel very relaxed and no pain in my body. That change I observed. By doing this, there is all pain is gone. Now I will say, after 60 years, if people say you will get Buddha ho gaya, so I will say Buddha ho gaya tera baap. I feel more anger than before today. Thank you.
અહીંયા આવીને બહુ ફ્રેશ થઈ ગયા છીએ અને એમ લાગે છે કે 4 કલાક ક્યાં પસાર થઈ ગયા ખબર જ નહીં પડી 4 મિનિટમાં પસાર થઈ ગયા.
It was a wonderful experience for me. I was like participating as well as I was coordinating also. So like on part of coordinating like with sir is my first experience like with a new crowd to like speak. So I was a little apprehensive earlier, but like as the session went on, all the apprehension, fears, everything is went off. I felt myself more confident. And just to like tell you like one thing about myself is I have a kind of stammering problem. Okay. But yes, no doubt like thanks to homeopathy, like being with this, all this awareness and all these things. Like when I was like presenting my presentation, right, like not for a single second I came to my thing, noticed that I was stammering. So that healing already has like started and beginning during this. And while doing this dancing therapy and this meditation thing, like lot of things, like especially that contraction and expansion, like by doing that contraction thing, I was just so contracted. Like at moment it was like difficult for me to like breathe also. I was like literally like suffocating. But like when you like went to this expansion, like lot of things, lot of hope, lot of freedom, lot of confidence was available to like feel myself at like fullest. So it was like wonderful experience for me today. Like it's difficult to describe through words. Words are not enough to like describe it. But I feel myself like complete today. That's what I can say.
All I can say is that I want to really thank you all for coming, and all of the people who worked here to make this happen. I want to thank them. Only thing I can say is whenever I do these kind of workshops, I really like myself to see myself not within that box of a medical doctor, because as a doctor I see myself extremely limited. My abilities shrink and my ideas become very, very small. When I am here with you, I feel completely expanded. There in my clinic I feel completely closed. And I want to thank all of you for so much love and so much light I am feeling in this moment. I really want to thank each one of you who is here with only one message, the last message that I am getting from God to give you. It is not a message from me. I am only a channel or an instrument or a facilitator. Nothing happens by my doing, everything is happening by my being. And the message that comes is, please be open to possibilities. Difficult situations, challenging situations, painful situations, narrow situations come in life. But if you keep yourself open to more than one possibilities, if the possibilities are open, then it is likely that that possibility may walk into your life. So with this message for openness, let your heart be open to possibilities, I would like to end today's session. Maybe we'll meet again some other day.